So moving on to number 2, a professional reviewer. So I know most of you guys have seen or been on Yelp, or let's see, what are some other ones? Yelp. People have their personal sites. Oh, Amazon, Walmart. Anybody has put reviews about products. So when you buy or purchase products, if you give your review, you're a professional reviewer. And professional reviewers make good money. So freelance reviewers can not only just earn money for their work, but they also earn free product as well. So not only will you get get your money for what you do, you can also get free product from a lot of companies. Let's say if you're a makeup reviewer and you review different makeups, lipsticks, eyeshadows, hair products, anything like that, these companies can start sending you product, right, for you to review and give your honest opinion. Don't lie just to make the company look good. Get stuff that you like and that you want to use. I've seen so many YouTubers out there recently who are recanting their reviews, right? Because they went out there and started reviewing products, and all of a sudden, the product wasn't as good as they said it was, and they're on there crying and appealing to everyone about different reviews, for what they let people go out and buy. And if they have 1 million viewers, 1 million subscribers, you're going to say, oh, that person knows what they're talking about. Not necessarily so. They may not really know what they're talking about, right? Or then again, they may, but make sure you know what you're talking about and you're just not reviewing stuff just simply to get money, right? Be honest. Review things that you like to review or that you like, products that you like. So the next thing, so this, again, a professional freelance reviewer is a very lucrative and profitable job for anyone who wants to work at home and set your own hours. Pretty much, you buy things every day at the store, whether it's food, whether it's shoes, whether it's clothes, whether it's makeup, whether it's hair products, whether it's a comb, whether it's scissors, tape, measuring tape, anything. I'm just grabbing things on my desk, and a highlighter, anything you can think of, you can review it. Oh, yeah, and wine. Hey, for you wine connoisseurs, thought I'd get a drink in while I'm talking. So anyway, anything you think of to review, you can review it, right? And that's a freelance professional reviewer, and you can make some good money from it. So what the types of reviewer, again, we'll go over that again. So you can do product reviews, book reviews, beauty reviews, clothing reviews, anything you can think of, hardware, things for the tools outside, inside your house, dog items, anything you can professionally review. You can get free product and you can get money while you're doing it. So steps to becoming a reviewer. The first step is to decide what's your niche. What do you want to do? Let's not pick everything I just named out to you. Let's say that you want to do wine. Again, a reason to get a sip. Let's say you want to do wine. There's tons of wines. Pick one of them. Write a review. Write a detailed review. Taste the wine. What does it taste like? How much did it cost? Where did you buy it? Where is it from? Everything, if you're a wine connoisseur and you know about wine, put it in your review. The more information you provide to people, the better off your reviews are going to be, the better off the chances are that you're going to get these wineries, not winos, wineries, to come back and say, hey, I want to advertise on your site. I want you to review my product. Here, let me send you a free thing of wine. Hey, let me send you something to complement wine. What about wine and what about cheese and crackers? I mean, wine goes along with everything, be it that it's fruit or be it that it's steak or everything. So you can piggyback off of that, and your advertisers can be a wide range. So that's basically just wine we're talking about. So anything under the sun that you can review products like baby products, strollers, baby wipes, baby lotion. If you have a new baby, that's what you should be previewing, reviewing baby products, right? So the next thing is you decide what your niche is. That was your niche, right? You decide which one you want. Make sure your niche is all, or your niche, not niche, your niche is always something that you like and that you enjoy, because if you enjoy it, then it's not work to you, it's fun, right? So just like I like making videos and I like teaching, I like educating people, it's not really work to me, it's fun, right? So you're going to want to always do something that's fun, and you feel like you never work once you do something that's fun, right? If you do something you have to do, it's more like work. So we want this to be fun. Okay, then the next step you're going to do is create a blog or a YouTube channel, just like I'm doing right now. I like teaching, I like educating people. So whether I'm cooking, whether I'm doing tutorials or making these videos, I am always teaching something, educating people on something. People want to learn, they want to know, and everybody has something in their head, something up here that you can teach people, right? Teach them how to do. So you create a blog or a YouTube channel. Later on, I'll show you how. I think down here below, I think we talk about blogs as well. But I'll have a class that I'll teach you how to make a blog. It's pretty simple. We'll walk you through it. You have any questions, I'm there, right, to answer it. So make sure that you bookmark us now, and come back and look out for that class to show you how to make a blog, and how to set up your YouTube channel, anything like that. So you're going to want to definitely do those. Next thing you want to do is write or vlog your first review. So you either write, if you're going to have a blog, you're going to be writing quite a bit, right? And if you don't like writing, you might want to hire like a virtual assistant or something like that, which is something I do as well, along with social media management. But if you don't like writing, hire someone, a family member or a student or something like that, or trade for services if you don't like writing, because you really need to have in your blog quite a bit of writing, right? Um, and if you're vlogging is basically a video log, and you can go about opening your box, showing them what's in the box, telling them every little bit of detail. People like to know details. They like to know how this works, what did you think about it, how you felt about it, should I buy it, why should I buy it, everything like that. So you're going to want to give them all that information, right? Everything you know about the product and more, right? And you're going to want to put that in your blog or your vlog. Okay. The next thing is you build your subscriber base. However that happens, you build your subscriber base. Almost everybody has a social media site, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Instagram, whether it's YouTube. Just consistently try to build your base, your subscriber base, right? Sometimes it's hard, and I won't lie to you, because it's been hard getting subscribers to my channel, so subscribe. It's good information, right? I give good information. So subscribe to my channel. And it's hard to get people to subscribe. A lot of people like to subscribe to jokes and fun and this and that. Okay, that's cool, but this life is not always about laughing. It's about making money and paying your bills and having fun in the process. So this is the process, right? So build your subscriber base, start contacting companies about reviewing their product. Once you review their product, all you have to do is contact these companies and let them know, hey, I'm about to write a post on your product just to let you know if there's anything that I forgot or anything that you want me to put on here, please let me know, right? They may respond back, they may not respond back. Who knows? You need to let them know. Start contacting these companies. Hey, I would like to write a product review on your pen, and it's Bic. I don't know. I'm sure there's contact information for Bic out there. Or if I bought this wine at Trader Joe's, I mean, hey, whatever the name brand is or whatever, um, contact them. Let them know that you're writing something about them, right? So again, to recap that, to the steps to becoming a reviewer, you find your niche, decide what it is, create a blog or a YouTube channel, write or vlog your first review, build your subscriber base, and start contacting companies about reviewing their product. Okay. And maybe lastly, I think this is my last slide on this one, is how much money can I earn? Well, again, you can earn free product, which is always great. I love to get free stuff, free services, trips, movies, whatever. You can review Airbnbs, you can review hotels, you get free stays at hotels, you go to the movies for free, anything that you like. And if one thing piggybacks off of something else, then start writing about this and maybe adding another niche in with it, right? So the next thing is marketing firms. They normally pay $3 to $150 per product review. So if you get a hold of those companies, you can make $150. Can you add that up if you, let's say, write about or review 5 different products in a day? So 5 times 150, what is that, like 700, right? Is that right? 700? 150 and 5. No, that is 750. Okay, 750. So that's easy, right? To make $750 if those marketing firms will pay that amount of money, and they'll pay more than that as well. Okay, moving on. So moving on to